Hello guys, how are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all of you. I'm back. Charnels, the film wife. Now today guys, I'll show you how to make a BLT, a healthy BLT for diabetic. I'm making a BLT for my husband's breakfast because he wanted the BLT, so it's okay to give a diabetic patient BLT, but you have to be careful also with the calories and the cholesterol, and make sure it's low sodium. So turkey bacon is better than the regular bacon, so I always get the turkey bacon for him. So this is how I prepare his food. I'm just gonna cut up some of the tomatoes. They called it, for some people, especially, I'm a Filipina. I came from the Philippines, so BLT is not really popular in the Philippines. So for those people that are not really familiar with what we call BLT here, it's the bacon, lettuce, and tomato. With I like the pumpernickel rye bread better because it's healthier, but for some reason lately they haven't put any of the pumpernickel rye bread. I think they are out, and the store probably haven't got their what do you call this there?
Supply.
Their supplies, so it's not out yet. So hopefully when I go back there, maybe today or tomorrow, hopefully I can get the pumpernickel rye bread like I showed you guys before when I made his diabetic, nutritious food for diabetic. So I've been managing his diabetes through food. I'm trying all my best to reverse his diabetes so that it will keep him live longer, healthier, stronger, and can still be able to do the things that he wanted to do, that he used to enjoy. So I just gonna put a little mayonnaise. When you can, with the mayonnaise, I just use the regular mayonnaise, but it's find the one, because also he got a problem with sodium because of the fluid that build up before in his lungs, and I think it's below his heart. So but that's all taken care of. So but now they changed also, it's not just a diabetic diet, but it's a low sodium diet, so that it will not happen again what happened last time, that the fluid retention on his lungs and his below his heart. So you have to be very careful with the salt, the sodium salt. You, for normal people like us that doesn't have a problem with sodium, we should only take 2,000, is that 2,000 milligrams, I think. The was that a whole day milligram, right?
Correct.
The whole day, 2,000 milligrams. So you have to be careful with that, guys, because if you eat too much salty foods, it will hurt you later on when you age. So be careful with that. I'm learning a lesson from it. So my husband kept telling me to be careful myself too. I am more than 40 years old, so I have to be aware also for what we eat, or for what I eat, not just him but also myself. So I got this mayonnaise. It's only where's this? Only 70 milligram. And if you have a problem with cholesterol, you can get the light mayonnaise. So there's a lot of healthy alternatives now, guys, that you can use. So I just put mayonnaise. That's all I put. But it's nutritious. It's very good. He likes it the way I prepare his food. There's not too much I need to put in it on it, but he'll love it. He's used to. In the beginning, you're gonna have a hard time changing your diet, but as soon as you get used to it, you will get used to it and you will love it. You will feel better. You're healthier. You'll live longer. And not only that, you will enjoy the things that you wanted to enjoy even on your, you know, we all get old in the future. So still, when you get older, you can still enjoy the things that you do because you're taking care, or you took care of your body. It's very, very important that we take care of our body and what we put inside our body. So this is what I do for my husband. So I'll just gonna put this. And then the other thing is, we Filipinos, we love to cook fried. And then if we fry even a bacon, we put oil on it, we fry it with oil. That is not good. Bacon is already have its own fats. You don't need to cook it with oil. You just turn the stove on, put the frying pan, let it heat first, the pan, and eventually the fats from the bacon itself, it will come out, and that's what you use it for, to get it cooked without using cooking oil. Never, even olive oil, never put oil. This is not really for frying. You just have to cook it by itself without oil on the pan. Remember that. It's a healthier way to cook it, because there's already fats on it. Even though this is a turkey bacon, okay, we don't eat the regular bacon, okay? So we like eating the turkey bacon. So this is, if because I also need to watch for the calories, every single labels and details of what I give to my husband, the food I prepare. I need to be very careful. I want him to live longer, so I'm very, very careful for what I'm giving him. So you just stack it like that, the bacon. There you go. Ay, they are coming out, but eventually it will dump it together, just like that. And then we have the turkey bacon BLT, turkey bacon sandwich. And then let's just stack the tomatoes on top like that. This is a very healthy alternatives. Some of the healthy alternatives that you can give to your spouse if they're diabetic, or it's also good when you have a heart problem, which my husband has also a heart problem. So for doing this for him, it's really a big help. I can see he's losing weight. I can see he's stronger. He's happier also. And he's starting to enjoy again what he loved to do. And normally before, he always tells me we can't go out because he always feels so tired. But now, since his doctor and myself changed his diet, everything turned into a better, healthy him. So if you have questions, guys, about food, because I'm also getting help with his nutritionist and his the nurse that been updating and checking on him every single week. So if you have questions, just click the subscribe button if you like my videos, and I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot more I can share you when it comes to health, food, and other things. So what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button, subscribe my channel, and I will share everything to you guys, what I know about health and other things. You You can comment in the comment section below and ask me questions, and I will make sure that I answer all your questions, and I will interact with you guys the best I can. So if I cannot reply to your comments right away, I will answer you in the next several hours or the next day, okay? I will never ever miss your comment because I know you guys wanted also to know how I manage my husband's diabetic and low sodium diet. I can share you more than what you ever know that I'm getting from the nutritionist. It's very important that we take care of our health. When we want to live longer, we wanna enjoy life, and and then when you click the subscribe button, click the bell, and then click also you get notified every time I upload video, and you can see all my videos. So do not forget to click the subscribe button, and thumbs up, guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my content. You will enjoy it. I will do everything I could to help, and I will do everything I could to share the information that I know and that I learn from my sources. So till next time, guys, I will see you guys later. Oh, by the way, he's allowed to have coffee, my husband, so it's okay. The doctor said it's okay as long as it's not too much. So 1 cup a day is okay for coffee, for diabetic with heart problem, but just 1 cup a day. That's it. So till next time, guys, I love you all and God bless you. Like I always say, stay safe, keep your health going all the time, healthy. So keep safe, stay healthy, and pray all the time. God bless you, and I'll see you with my next video. Another one will come. Bye, guys. See you next time.